There's a crisis in space agriculture, and NASA just uncovered a scary problem that you won't hear about anywhere else. They're growing food in space for the astronauts on the International Space Station. But what they found out is that this food is not as nutritious as what we eat here on Earth. Let me explain. On June 28, 2023, NASA published a study in the journal Nature's Scientific Reports that revealed how space-grown lettuce is lacking in critical nutrients. On average, it has 29 to 31% less calcium and 25% less magnesium compared to the same vegetables grown here on Earth. And those are just the numbers that they were able to measure. Who knows how many other nutrients were also affected? This is very concerning because it means that astronauts on long missions beyond Earth's protective magnetosphere will be exposed to significantly less nutrition than they are now. And that could have serious consequences for their health. Now, I know that we often hear about how our bones and muscles waste away in space, but there's a lot more to it than that. It's not just our bones and muscles, but our entire bodies that are affected by microgravity. For example, did you know that being in space can disrupt your body's calcium signaling? That's right. Even if you're getting enough calcium in your diet, your body may not be able to use it properly in space. According to a recent study, disrupted calcium signaling can affect up to 163 genes, leading to accelerated bone deterioration. Not only that, but microgravity can also cause a leaky gut syndrome, which can further reduce the absorption of nutrients. So it's not just about the food we eat in space, it's also about how our bodies process those nutrients. I mean, it's great that we can grow plants in space, but if the food is not nutritious enough, then we might as well just be feeding the astronauts space rocks. Now, thankfully, NASA is already working on solutions to this problem. For example, they're exploring the idea of growing crops that are bioengineered to be enriched with essential nutrients. They're also looking into the potential of using therapeutic proteins in vegetables grown in space to help prevent muscle and bone loss. And here's where you come in. NASA is currently seeking citizen scientists to participate in a research project that aims to determine the ideal duration for harvesting space-grown crops. By signing up, you'll have the chance to analyze real NASA research data and contribute to the agency's mission to ensure the health and well-being of astronauts on future Moon and Mars missions. It's a fantastic opportunity to be part of something truly special and to help ensure the success of human exploration beyond Earth. So sign up today and let's work together to make history. In the future, food engineering will be just as vital to the success of our missions to the Moon and Mars as the engineering of our spacecraft. In fact, it might be even more important considering that without proper nutrition, astronauts won't survive no matter how amazing the spacecraft is. So, let's hope that NASA is able to solve this problem quickly because the future of space exploration depends on it. This is your host, and until next time, keep looking up.